Hey everybody, welcome back to Spin the Chainweb with TheCryptoSpyder. Next up, Kadena Kongs. This project is one of the OG projects on Kadena. They've been around since November of last year. This is another one of the first NFT projects I heard about on Kadena. Their registration for minting is coming up soon, so I wanted to do the video before the registration starts to give people information about the project. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go. So this is their website, kadenakongs.art. I'm not going to go over a ton of information on the website because they have a good bit of information on Hypercent's website, which is where they're launching, and I'll go over some of the information there. So you see it says Kadena Kongs, a true Kong community of alphas living on the Kadena ecosystem. Wagme, Alpha, Robo, and Zombie are just some of the Kong tribes with different types of NFTs. The Jungle Hive Mind, 3 integral pillars. First you got the community, then you got the DAO, then you got the core team. 2,500 NFT apes, forming the strongest DAO community on Kadena ecosystem. And here you can see some of the sneak peeks. It's a pixelated project. The OG collection, 2,500. Mint price and date, I'll go over that in a little while. Eventually they'll have a 3D conversion. Only the OG Kongs will be able to do it. And then the price and date on that is to be determined also. But you'll see kind of what they look like, and even in the infographic that I used. While I do like the pixelated art, this to me looks so much better. I really love what they're doing here. So then they just invite you to come join them in Discord and Twitter. And see, to me that just looks so good. I like the way they did this. Next I'll go to the Kongs team. The Kong community manager is Kyle Woken. The founder and project manager is Jake Fell. Operations manager is Cryptnaut. And again, I love these 3D Kongs. They are taking position requests, but they're really looking for pack developers as well. So if anybody's interested, you can send them an email. This goes into a little more about what they're about, but I'll go into that in a little bit later as well. I do want to point out they use 30% of the mint funds to start the DAO. And they'll give the holders a 1-to-1 representative vote. So you'll basically be able to choose which direction you want the project to go in after you mint. And there's several different options. For example, effective ways to use our mint funds, including implementing play-to-earn, 3D conversion, metaverse implementation, donation to primate habitats in Harambe's grave, giving royalties to each Kadena Kong owner, cross-chain of NFT breeding, and the list goes on. So there's several different ways they can go with the Kongs, and they're going to use the DAO to help choose that direction. And then you got the bananas page, which is actually just bananas. Next I'll show you their Twitter. It's at Kadena Kongs. There's the website. There's their Discord. There's the one I use for the infographic. I think that's really cool looking. And then I wanted to show you all this video as well. It's just a pretty cool little promo video. As you can see, it says 50, 60, and 70, and I'll go over that again in a little bit. There's the mint prices. On the 18th of August is when they're going to be doing the registration on Hypercent at 15 UTC, which is 11 a.m. Eastern time in the US. So next I'll show you their Discord real quick. As you can see, there's quite a few channels here. You'll have to verify once you get in. Let's say react with the banana. Rules, suggestions, announcements, whitelist rank guide. Here it gives information about the different ranks and how to whitelist. And here it shows the different ranks that you can get. The higher rank, the cheaper the price, and the more perks it may come with. Here's a roadmap, but I'll show you a more updated version when I get to Hypercent. Some sneak peeks. Here's some of the 3D ones. Got your Kongs chat, which is a general chat, and then a bunch of other channels. One thing I do want to show you in the announcements channel, it does talk about some of the details for the mint. If you go up a little bit, there's a Medium article. The Medium article goes into the mint guide, date, wallet, mint price, whitelist. So I won't go over all this, but I do want to point out the mint date. They'll be minting on Hypercent. The registration begins on the 18th. So that's when you'll get to lock your Hype token to get allocations into the mint. So round 1 starts at 12 p.m. UTC on Monday the 22nd, and 12 p.m. UTC on the 24th. Round 2 starts on the 24th and ends on the 25th. Round 3 starts on the 25th until it's sold out. And the redeem reveal is 24 hours after the close of the sale. Wallets accepted. The Hypercent platform features its own integrated wallet within their launchpad called Hype Wallet. This wallet is custom configured to work with their own multi-stage IDO and NFT sales processes. It can be found in the upper right corner of the D app. If If you already have a Hype wallet, you don't have to worry about it. You can just use that address, but make sure you send them that address for your whitelist if you're whitelisted. If you don't have one, you can set it up. I haven't done a video on the Hype wallet, but it's similar to other wallets with the 12-word passcode and all that stuff. You just write all that down on paper, lock it away, and you can set the wallet up in a similar fashion. There is an option of importing your X wallet or Chainweb wallet into the Hype wallet. You basically would use the 12-word passcode that you use for X wallet or Chainweb wallet. You've already got that written down, which you should. And you put those 12 words in, and it can basically connect the two wallets. Hype wallet does not have the functionality to switch between multiple wallets. Please be sure that the K-wallet address you submit to claim your whitelist spot is the same K-wallet address that is linked to the Hype wallet D-app. This will ensure you'll be able to properly complete the registration phase for the mint. And then it walks you through a little bit of the Hype wallet setup. So whitelist breakdown. One whitelist allows the opportunity to mint 3 Kongs. Discord ranks, WAGMI level 25 to 30, 1 whitelist. Alpha 31 to 42 whitelist. Giga 40 plus is 2 whitelists plus OG alpha perks. So mint registration. Everyone planning to participate in the Kadena Kongs mint must complete the wallet registration process. It's the only time to register for the mint. Even if you have not got a whitelist or you're not planning to stake your Hype to obtain a spot in the mint, you still need to submit your K-wallet address during the registration phase to be eligible to participate in the public sale. First come, first serve. There's no KYC required. So the registration starts on the 18th of August. Even if you don't have a special role or a whitelist or any of that, you still have to go through the registration phase. 3 sale rounds and price levels. So round 1 is the whitelist. Whether you're a high roll or whether you've won one from a giveaway, there's 3 price levels. Giga Kongs are 50, WAGMI and Alpha Kongs are 60, and the whitelist winners or anybody under level 25 is 70 per NFT. Round 2 is the Hypercent lottery, so anyone that holds Hype can choose to lock their Hype in the registration phase only. Will receive lottery tickets for a chance to mint a Kong. Lottery ticket winners will be announced before the sale, and only those winners will be able to mint during this time, and those are $60 each. And in the public sale, they're $70 each, first come, first serve, until they're sold out. So it said there's only 150 Kongs that are earmarked for the public sale. But there may be some of the Hype sale or the whitelist sale that doesn't get sold, and those will be added to it. But there's not a ton of Kongs available in this collection, and a lot of them will probably go in the earlier rounds. Then it goes over some information about how to submit your wallet for a whitelist. Next we'll go to Hypercent. You click Projects. And you'll see some information about the Kongs here. But you can click Join Whitelist. And you'll see August 18th. Whitelist round, Hype round, public round, and then the reveal. And here's the prices, $2,500. So if you're whitelist, you can get up to 3. So here it goes over their mission. It's a prolific NFT project pushing the boundaries of community, collectability, and utility on the Kadena blockchain. It's a collection of 2,500 NFTs with 150 traits. The 2D Kadena Kong style pays homage to our degenerate roots while giving tribute to Kadena, the ecosystem here to push crypto and smart contracts mainstream. Skelly, Zombie, and WAGMI are a few examples of the many Kong tribes. Each NFT in the collection will utilize the many revolutionary and secure features of Kadena's Marmalade NFT smart contract standard. So next we'll talk about the community. So basically the community is their main focus. And that's one of the reasons they're building a DAO. They want to give the community the opportunity to choose which way the project goes. At the end of the day, their primary goal is to fully represent the community by carrying out the ideas for the project going forward. Some of which are donations to promote primate habitat conservation and sponsor adopt individual chimpanzees, institute an NFT breeding system, reward royalties to each Kadena Kong owner, blockchain game integration, and many more brilliant ideas our community members can dream up who will work to make it happen. The roadmap in the DAO says there's infinite pathways, basically because we're giving the DAO the opportunity to choose. Early adoption phase is building the Kong community. It says there are 750 whitelist spots available to earn on Discord and Twitter. Each spot can purchase 3. You can have multiple whitelist spots. 99% of those spots have been filled. Mint. 2,500 will be available, 2,250 initially allotted to the whitelist owners, a portion allotted to the Hype owners, 50 going to the Kadena Kongs DAO treasury for furthering the project, and 100 available for public sale plus spillover from whitelist. And it says they lowered their prices given the market conditions, but those still can change up to 3 days before launch. It says the DAO will be infused with 31% of mint funds, and each holder will have a say in how that money will go towards the project. Here's some more information on the team. So that's the Kadena Kongs NFT project. Like I said, this is one of the OG projects in the Kadena community. I would imagine one of the reasons they waited so long from November till now to mint is because they were waiting for the Marmalade Standard to be ready. If you don't know what Marmalade Standard is, I won't go into it completely, but just know that it makes your NFTs changeable. So you can actually go into the pack code of the NFTs and alter it to make your NFT, for example, change from a 2D pixel to a 3D Kong, like you see here. But that also gives it the ability to be changed into a play-to-earn gaming NFT, a metaverse NFT, or any other function the DAO chooses. This is one of the reasons that Marmalade is going to be so powerful, and one of the reasons why these NFT projects are choosing Kadena to launch. The possibilities of NFTs using Marmalade Standard on Kadena are almost limitless. It really is incredible the technology that is possible on Kadena. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. If you do, I'd appreciate a like, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and retweet my links. Thanks for watching Spin the Chainweb. Much love, everyone.